Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 4. We have Martin Truex Jr.'s NASCAR Next Gen car. So here's the back. Let's get Martin Truex Jr. out of his box. And I'll just do that. So here is the sticker. Obviously, it has a side design of Martin Truex Jr.'s. The Bass Pro logo, his name, a yellow line with orange on the bottom, and the number 19. So here is Martin Truex Jr.'s 19 Bass Pro car. So Martin Truex's car design was similar to his 2021 car, obviously with the black 19 and a similar side design, obviously red car. However, the difference is that the 19 is now moved to the side, so the tracker boats and ATVs replaces the side, and Bass Pro is moved into the middle area. Same thing goes for here too. So on the back is the same, tracker boats and ATV, the double diffuser, the single exhaust system, and obviously the front is still the same. So the comparison to the 2021 version, obviously the car is more rounder, which I didn't show you, and obviously a little bigger compared to the 2021 car. I mean, really bigger, I think. Anyway, so I'll give you a 360 view of Martin Truex Jr. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more NASCAR Next Gen videos coming out this week. Thanks for watching.